Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel. Today we are covering CHOOSEROWS, a function that lets you pick any rows you want out of a table by number. I will show you 5 ways to use it, from manually picking rows to combining it with sort and sequence to build a dynamic ranked report. Let's start with the basics. The syntax is choose rows, then your array, then the row numbers you want. We have a Pokemon table here with 15 rows. I type equals choose rows, reference the table, then 1 for Charizard, 3 for Pikachu, and 5 for Arcanine. Hit enter and Excel returns exactly those 3 complete rows. Every column, all the stats, just for the rows you picked. Now instead of typing every row number yourself, use sequence. Sequence of 5 just generates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 automatically. So type equals choose rows, select the table, then drop sequence of 5 in as the row argument. Hit enter and you get the first 5 rows back. Charizard, Blastoise, Pikachu, Meowth, Arcanine. Want 10 rows? Just swap the 5 for a 10. One number controls how many rows come back. Okay, now let's do something really useful. A top 5 report that updates itself. Here's how it works. Nest sort inside CHOOSEROWS. Sort takes the table, sorts by column 5, which is total, and uses -1 to go descending. So now your biggest numbers are at the top. Wrap CHOOSEROWS around that with sequence of 5, and it grabs the first 5 rows of the sorted table. Those are your top 5. Blastoise, Alakazam, Dragonite, Entei, Camerupt. Add a new Pokemon with a higher total and it automatically shows up in the list. Here's a good one. Say you've got a big table and you just want a clean list of names for a specific type. Every water-type Pokemon, just the names, nothing else, no extra columns. 3 functions stacked together get it done. Start on the inside with filter. Filter takes the full table and keeps only the rows where type equals water. That gives you your water type rows, but still with all 11 columns attached. Next, wrap CHOOSECOLS around that. Pass it column 2 for name. Now you're down to a single column of water type names. Finally, wrap the whole thing in TOCOL to collapse it into a clean, flat vertical list. Hit enter. Blastoise, Horsey, Staryu, Feraligatr, Mudkip. Swap water for any type and it updates instantly. No manual filtering, no copy-paste, the list just builds itself. Alright, this is where everything comes together. 4 functions, 1 formula. We're building a compact top 5 ranking report with just name, type, and total. Build it from the inside out. Sort goes on the inside, sorting by column 5 descending so the highest totals land at the top. CHOOSEROWS wraps around that with sequence of 5 to pull just the first 5 rows of the sorted result. At this point, you've got 5 rows, but still all 11 columns. CHOOSECOLS goes on the outside and trims it down to columns 2, 3, and 5. Hit enter. Blastoise, Alakazam, Dragonite, Entei, Camerupt. 3 columns, 5 rows, fully dynamic. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your Excel tables and reports and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.